Welcome to the Weirdest Sound Challenge. First up, let's make some mouth sounds. Makes a weird sound. What was that? Makes another sound. I sound like a broken robot. Makes one last sound. Is that a cat or me? Now, let's grab some everyday objects. Picks up a spoon. Listen to this. Bangs the spoon. Who knew kitchenware could be so loud? Grabs a plastic bottle. Let's see what this can do. Squeezes the bottle. Sounds like a dying dinosaur. Last one, time for an animal imitation. Imitates a chicken. Bok bok. Did I nail it or what? Comment below with your weirdest sounds. Don't forget to like and share your own challenges.